The 2025 Tesla Model S continues to redefine the electric vehicle landscape, pushing the boundaries of performance, technology, and luxury. A glimpse into the future asterisk. The Model S's exterior is a testament to sleek, futuristic design. Its aerodynamic profile and minimalist aesthetic exude a sense of effortless speed and sophistication. Step inside, and you're greeted by a minimalist yet luxurious interior. A massive touchscreen dominates the dashboard, controlling nearly every aspect of the vehicle, from climate control to entertainment. Unleashing electric power asterisk. The Model S boasts a range of powertrain options, from the exhilarating Plaid Plus with its mind-bending acceleration to more efficiency-focused variants. Regardless of the trim, the Model S delivers a thrilling driving experience with instant torque and a smooth, silent ride. Technology at your fingertips asterisk. Tesla's signature autopilot system continues to evolve, offering advanced driver assistance features that make every journey safer and more convenient. The over-the-air software updates ensure your Model S is always equipped with the latest features and improvements. A luxurious experience asterisk. The Model S pampers its occupants with a host of luxurious amenities, including premium sound systems, comfortable seating, and a spacious and airy cabin. The expansive glass roof floods the interior with natural light, creating a sense of openness and tranquility. More than just a car asterisk. The 2025 Tesla Model S is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. A statement of innovation, a testament to the future of transportation. It's for those who embrace cutting-edge technology, appreciate unparalleled performance, and demand a driving experience that is both exhilarating and effortless.